Welcome back to Sam's Garage, presented by NH Oil Undercoating. Jim from On-Site Shine is back at Sam's Garage to help complete the paint restoration on the 57 Thunderbird. He also applies a new top coat product that will protect the paint restoration job. Then Sam and Doug do a final walk around and reflect on their project.
The final week for our Thunderbird project. This is the week where Jim has already made it look really good. He's going to put a protective coating on it. We're going to be installing the Luxor wire wheels on it, and then we're going to crank it up as well and put a period on the project. What do you think?
You know, Sam, it's been a lot of work, as all the projects always are. But the final product just looks fantastic. The coat, the paint, you know, I would have never believed that this wasn't new paint. You've done just such a fantastic job.
Thank you.
This looks great.
The reality is, in a car like this, to really make the paint perfect, it's going to take probably between 7, maybe 12 hours. We've got this front hood done in such a way that we've got it compounded, polished, and then finished. And I want to go after it with the Icon Rock Clear, which is a surface protectant that's literally about 70 times stronger and 20 times thicker than a ceramic coating. Once it's applied like this, it actually fills in different imperfections and it self-levels on its own. So I don't need to polish it or wipe it off. And once it self-levels, think of a Kevlar jacket with Teflon on top of it, something with slick and shiny and doesn't allow anything to penetrate the surface. That's what this product really does.
Another project in the can. There's a lot of little stuff that we need to do. We still need to put the dashboard together. But you know what? I think it's a good idea to send the whole car to Gillen Interior and let him finish what he started. The chassis turned out really awesome. Scott's Hot Rods and Classic Cars came out strong on what they did for us. Cameron was awesome by sending us all the parts that he did. The bumpers look really good for you to be able to find bumpers today.
Yeah. When I take a look at the overall lines of this car and everything from the wheels, the way the interior was, the motor, I mean, this is an absolute classic, you know, and to see one done with this type of style and then with the chrome, I'm an old guy, I love chrome, the bling, it's just beautiful. And then now the way the paint looks, I'm really, really impressed.
And the wheels do look good. Wire wheels, period correct, nicely sized. You did a good job on that one.
Yeah, I'm old, I love wires, I love chrome.
Stick shift for the TKO transmission being in the same spot as the T5 was incredible.
Yeah, who would have ever...
Because we got to put a Coyote motor in it.
Yeah,
who would have thought?
Who would have guessed when we put everything together that everything from the transmission on the back, everything lined up. You look at the drive shaft, the way it lined, everything came together. I mean, it was a lot of work, as we always talk about, a lot of measure it a couple of times, make sure everything's right. It really came together.
There's nothing a saw can't fix and a welder can't stick back together. You just cut 3 or 4 inches off here and there, we'll be good to go.
But always remember, measure twice, cut once.
The steering column from Summit Racing, awesome. LaCar steering wheel from Kevin at LaCar Performance. They did a great job there. It looks beautiful in the car.
You know, one of the other really trick things that we wound up doing was going with the electric pump for the steering. That was a slick deal.
And it's a Ford part from a Volvo 10 years ago. That's pretty cool. The Coyote motor looks really good. The Holley EFI knocked it out the park. It cranks right up. The radiator from Summit, Cold Case did an awesome job by sending us radiator, but the rack and pinion lives in the same spot. But we did use their fan, and it's got AC now. You didn't have AC before.
No, didn't have AC before. And then think about this, guys. The car weighs 3,100 pounds. It's going to have over 500, about 520, 540 horsepower in it. 5-speed transmission. This thing is going to really get down the road with that new chassis, brakes, everything that's on it. It's going to handle well. It's going to be a lot of fun to drive. And you know what? The best part? When you go down the road, you're going to just look cool.
I think the guys at Hempsaw, when you go back to Oklahoma, are going to really appreciate the final product when they see all their work come to an end and see what they built.
Yeah, no, I'm very impressed. It was a lot of work, as always, Sam. It was a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to our build next year.